To be successful in today's world, you can only be the best by being ahead of your competitors. You do this by making improvements within your business. Reduce the time with each interaction you have with your suppliers and partners that you count on, and improve the exchanges between you and your customers. Questions you might be asking yourself daily are, what changes do I need to make to achieve lower costs managing and running my business? What tasks are my employees performing that can be automated in today's world so they can focus on my real core business? Over the years, maybe you've tried asking your employees, on what changes should we make to cut the business costs while improving our overall quality? Maybe you've tried implementing different ideas and perfect world solutions that end up not working. Ever look at or try one of those expensive consultants? Well, sounds like you've tried almost everything. But why isn't your business still performing like you need it to be? What do? Well, there is great news. A solution exists that could help you right away, called Optimus Hive. Optimus Hive captures tons of metadata while your employees are working and using your business computers. Sorts through the billions of metadata records it captured looking for patterns, so it can identify activities that could be automated. It also looks for employees that might be skipping key steps that cause issues downstream in the overall delivery process. It can also identify employees who might be gold-plating their work, causing things to back up because they are taking too long to complete their work. Isn't that amazing? It can even help you by building your business case to justify making the investment in automation and employee training by showing you what it truly costs you to perform a specific task. Well, wait, there are even more amazing capabilities Optimus Hive provides that can help make your employees more productive and more efficient for your business. Each feature alone is worth having the tool, but they come packaged together. Visit www.optimushive.com today for more information.